Hey guys, this is a report of hot deserts by Sergio, Julian, and Jorge. These are some of the major deserts on the planet. As you can see, they're usually near the equator or tropics because obviously it's hotter there. Here's some animals in the desert. Many common desert animals are scorpions, snakes, and lizards. Most animals in the desert live off the little water since precipitation is very rare. The main predators are coyotes and snakes. Many birds adapt by taking leftovers from coyotes, such as vultures. Most of the desert biome consists of reptiles. A common reptile, the lizard, uses heat to its advantage by transforming heat into energy.
How do animals adapt? Animals can use certain physical traits. For example, the jackrabbit has large ears and very little blood vessels that let heat escape. Another common animal in the desert biome is a camel, and the camel can use their fur to block out the sun's heat. But it's not just physical traits that help against the climate. There are also some techniques that some animals can do. They make some burrows during the day for shelter against the sun, and at night they can come back out for hunting and other matters. Temperature and climate. So, as you know, the desert biome is usually hot during the day. But did you know that during the night, temperatures can drop to -4 degrees Celsius? In Fahrenheit, that's -24 degrees. But during the afternoon, most temperatures go to an average of 38 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit, that's 100 degrees. Plants in the desert biome. Some of the most common plants in the desert biome are short grasses, sagebrush, crayoseed bushes, and cacti. Most plants in the desert biome are succulent because they do not receive much water. Succulent plants in the desert are usually thick because they store water inside of themselves.
Hot desert plants. Some desert plants' life cycle only lasts a couple of weeks. They last a long periods of times because they are succulent, making them able to receive water for long periods of time. Here's a little brief cycle of how the desert plants go. They go through precipitation, which they get very little of. They germinate, flower, produce seeds, and then die. Here's a barrel cactus, the most common hot desert plant. How do animals even survive? Adding on to earlier, animals develop methods/techniques to survive. They can use techniques to avoid the excessive heat, such as Costa's animal named Costa's hummingbird breeds only during the winter. Another bird called the kingbird is active during the day, but always stays in the shadows. Here are some desert facts that you can pause to read. Bye.